Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are the world's best plan to build a better world for people and our planet by 2030. Adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015, the SDGs are a call for action by all countries, poor, rich, and middle income, to promote prosperity while protecting the environment. They recognize that ending poverty must go hand in hand with strategies that build economic growth and address a range of social needs including education, health, equality, and job opportunities, while tackling climate change and working to preserve our ocean and forests. The Division for Sustainable Development Goals, DSDG, in the United Nations, Department of Economic and Social Affairs, UNDESA, provides substantive support and capacity building for the SDGs and their related thematic issues, including water, energy, climate, oceans, urbanization, transport, science, and technology, the Global Sustainable Development Report, GSDR, partnerships, and small island developing states. DSDG plays a key role in the evaluation of UN system-wide implementation of the 2030 Agenda and on advocacy and outreach activities relating to the SDGs. With only 10 years left to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, world leaders at the SDG Summit in September 2019 called for a decade of action and delivery for sustainable development, and pledged to mobilize financing, enhance national implementation and strengthen institutions to achieve the goals by the target date of 2030, leaving no one behind. The UN Secretary-General called on all sectors of society to mobilize for a decade of action on 3 levels: global action to secure greater leadership, more resources, and smarter solutions for the Sustainable Development Goals; local action embedding the needed transitions in the policies, budgets, institutions, and regulatory frameworks of governments, cities and local authorities; and people action, including by youth, civil society, the media, the private sector, unions, academia, and other stakeholders, to generate an unstoppable movement pushing for the required transformations.